Lost. 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 So, the Lakers lost, which means I lost all my bets. Ah! Exposure here. So, the Lakers game is on. About to place my bets multiple. It's my first time really doing sports bets, so it'll be an interesting experience. Probably do like some money line bets, some overall bets, bet on the Lakers at the win, bet the first one to 20 points, that kind of stuff. So walking down to the sports bet section of the MGM Grand Casino. When I place my bets, I'll let you guys know what I did. And I guess my reaction or how it ends up. All right. Start exposure here. So I just placed a couple of bets. I was in my zone and really focused, so of course I didn't record me pulling money out of my wallet and putting bets and doing that the whole process. But I'm on the MGM app, so I could really read to you my bet. I did 3 bets. So first team to reach 10 points in the second quarter. I bet that on the Lakers. I also did game money line. So Lakers will just win it all. Put some money on that. Total game score to be even. Put some money on that. And yeah, first team to reach 10 points in the second quarter. I don't know if I said that, but put money on that. So we'll see where it goes. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. The Bet MGM app is super cool. You should try it out if you like betting on sports. It's my real first experience trying it, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll win some money. If I do, it'll be even a more fun night. Yeah, so, you know, it is what it is. And also, when you bet yourself MGM app, they give you free drinks, which is always great. So take advantage of that. All right, love, peace, and hair grease. I lost my first bet. Steak was only like $5, so it wasn't that bad. And it was on like the first one to, I forgot what it was. It expired and doesn't tell me.
No, it's only
like the first one to get to 10 points, or the first one to have the leading score before halftime, and it wasn't the Lakers, sadly to say. Yeah, so I lost that. But I got 2 other bets. I might play some other bets because I still have some money left in my Bet MGM account. So we'll see how this thing plays out, man. Hopefully I get some money. If not, I don't know. Who cares? Miami is trying to play, but it's like, we'll take you out sooner or later. So just give up. Let us get this game in 5. Or it's going to be 6. Or it's going to be 7. Just sooner or later, we're just going to take it from you. Yeah, it's too late to bet on the game for that bet. But you don't care about the game. You're watching it live anyway. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated on my other bets. If I win or make them, you'll get my live reaction and report on it. But I lost my money on my first bet. It's $5, so who cares? It's not that bad. Go Vermont. Come on. Yeah. Who cares? Don't mind the noise in the back. Mom's hotel room. Yeah. Love, peace, and hair grease. Side exposure out. Lost. 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 So, the Lakers lost, which means I lost all my bets. Well, first time doing sports bets, I lost it all. Yeah, here goes the view of the Bellagio and little Paris and yeah, but it's besides the point. I lost. It's terrible. The day goes on. The show goes on. Love, peace, and hair grease. Keep you guys tuned for what's next. So, as you know, I lost my money game 5. I lost all my bets. There weren't any winnings, but there was redemption because there's a game 6. Since we were up 3-2, they went in, into game 6, and this happened. It's a wrap. Game 6, I made sure I had my pre-game bets ready. I made sure I had my during the game bets on. I bet a little smarter. I learned from my mistakes. I didn't even put all my money on the Lakers. I did even some little side bets and smaller, things on. Forgot who we played. Who did we play? Yeah, it's in the past now. I can't even recall because it's just Laker Nation. Didn't matter who we were playing. But whoever they may be, who lost, I did some bets on them, and ultimately the Lakers wind up dogging the living mess out of the Miami Heat, and I literally won all my bets, all my little side bets. So yeah, it's good. It's good. I won my money back from game 5, so I'm not too hot. And the good thing about, like the BetMGM app is that you can take your winnings and apply it and use it for anything. So my money in the app, I'll, use it to bet on NFL games, or I can use it to bet on soccer, which I haven't done. Of course, I don't watch that frequently enough to know. But you can pretty much use your money for whatever sport you want. You can bet on it through BetMGM. It's a cool app. I'm not a hard gambler. I'm not betting any big money. Trust and believe. I don't bet anything that I wouldn't care to lose. So I'm pretty stingy with my money, so you can expect that to be pretty low value. But yeah, so BetMGM app is pretty cool. That's my experience with sports bets. Lost it all, won it all back, and now I have money to play with. That's it. That's all. It's Have Exposure. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you check out some of my other videos in Vegas, whether it's exploring Vegas, eating in Vegas, swimming at the MGM Grand Pool. I have all those listed on my channel, so make sure you check them out and stay tuned.